Hello guys, thank you for watching and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing another kitchen organization. This time I'm gonna be working with my kitchen sink cabinet, and it's gonna be exciting to tackle that part of my kitchen cabinet because right now it's pretty messy. I don't even know what I have in the back of my cabinets, and it's so hard all the time. I'm gonna do some cleaning around my house to find all of my cleaning supplies that I can wait to organize everything. My first cleaning organization that I did in my kitchen, it was my pantry organization. And if you're looking for some motivation to clean and organize your pantry, I'm gonna leave that links down below for you guys. And maybe this is gonna be a good motivation for you to start. For my under the sink cabinet, I'm gonna be using like 3 new containers I got, I guess from dollar store, probably Target or TJ Maxx. I'm gonna be showing you that first and show you how my under the sink cabinet looks right now. I'm gonna be using some of the items that I already have there. I mean, some of the containers I have there. I'm gonna be reusing them plus adding some of the new ones that I get and see how I can organize, because that space is not super big, but I think I have enough space to me play with and organize and make it look better and much easy for us. And yeah, I hope you like and enjoy this video, and this can be a good motivation for you organize. I know that under the sink is one of the places in our cabinets that get pretty messy and hard to keep it clean, but if you have the motivation to clean and looking the way that can work with you, and if you like and enjoy this video and you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, here is all of the new containers I have to add in under the sink cabinet for the organization. I got this one over here. I actually have this one. I thought this one was from the dollar store, but this one is coming from Walmart and is only 97 cents or something like that. I thought it was a very good price for this nice dividing container. And yeah, this is gonna be very helpful for something that I have in mind that I'm gonna be showing you later. And then I got this other one. I thought it was very cute, and I got this one from TJ Maxx, and this one, it was, I think, the most expensive one, because I got this one for $3.99 in TJ Maxx, but it was perfect because it was matching with the color that I was already have from Walmart. And this one is coming from Target, and I got it a while ago. It's coming from the dollars spot on Target, and I think it was only $1. I got these other 2 vinyls, protect the wood in case something spill or any water or something going to the wood. This is gonna be a good protection for that, and at the same time it's gonna make the cabinet to look very nice. And yeah, this is all of the new stuff that I'm gonna be using for the cabinet, and I'm gonna be using all of the most of the containers that I already have there. Okay, let's go now to show you how my cabinet looks right now. Okay guys, so here is my cabinet, my under the sink cabinet, and I don't know if you can tell that he is a little bit open because he's so full that it doesn't close all the way like this is supposed to be closed. I'm gonna be opening and show you how it looks right now. And yeah, oops, See, you can tell that it's pretty full, that I just dropped one of the cleaning supplies, and it's a little bit dark inside there, but I wanted to show you how everything looks right now. You can see that everything is all together and messy. And yeah, here is all of my cleaning supplies, and I don't even know what I have like down there. So yeah, this is gonna be the before, and we're gonna start tackle this, and I'm gonna start taking all of this stuff out of here to see and leave it empty and see all of the space. But yeah, I want to show you how it looks now and how it's gonna look after we work on this.